Hello, you trader nerds. How are y'all? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. It is a day after Thanksgiving. It's Black Friday. Don't forget our Black Friday sale. If you want some one-on-one coaching, I am available, but I can only limit it to 7 people. And the sale goes off today. Normally $700 is $499. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's get you up and going for the new year. Be ready to go. And you say, well, what schedule is that going to be on? I can work with your schedule. I have worked with people in Australia, in Great Britain. I mean, we can make it work, baby. So we will tailor it to you. You want to do it 5 straight days? We can do it. You want to do it over 7 weeks? We can do it. 7 days? You want to, whatever. We'll work it out for you. All right. You just need to let me know. Send me a message. Say, sign me up, Bob. All right. So the market is going to close in 25 minutes. So we got a little bit of time that we can do some trading. Look at this, y'all. It's a nothing burger kind of a day. Look at this, 1,800 contracts. There is no volume. Everybody is off today. Cash opened. Here's where we are. We're right at the cash open again. Here's the overnight low. So we're just, treading water. AD is going down. VIX is in the 12 handle. AD is at 175. Nothing to see here. Now, remember, for next week, y'all, we anticipate that we might tag the 4584 number, but I think that over the coming days, probably the next 10, we're going to visit the point of control, and we're also going to fill in these gaps, which will get us around the 4460 area. So don't be surprised to see a good little size down move, but then we should pop right back up. But price wants to visit the vacuum right here. Okay, that's just my thought. I want to show you something too. Now, some of y'all that have not been with us for a long, long time probably have not seen this spreadsheet. This is another spreadsheet that I do. It's called AIM, and it has it's based on Lucello's book, How to Make $1 Million in the Stock Market Automatically. And so we will be trading another portfolio, probably about 125,000 or more. And it will contain 2 stocks, AMD and NVIDIA. And we will we'll use this. So if you've ever wanted to learn AIM, we're going to have an AIM spreadsheet that kind of tells us what to do. So it's very, 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 very good. I can't wait. This is probably my baby of all spreadsheets. And I sent this up to work on the Lucello algorithm that basically tells you when to buy and when to sell stocks. So we'll see how that portfolio works out. So I'm really excited about that. All right, let's look at the linear regression. Not much to see. Volume down, market up. We expect a retracement back down into this area here, which complies with our big green monster, right? So let's go to our little accounts and see how we're doing here today. We'll start off with the mega account. 452, 451, 452, 471, 452, 472, 452, 451. Let's go with that. 452, 451, 452, 452, 451. Y'all know what that means. Fire up the band, Rico. Don't you love Holiday Theta Decay? Isn't that great? Isn't that great? So let's see. Now we're at 119, 109. 119, 109. This is your first time with us. You're probably like, what crap does that mean? That means that we technically should be making $109 a day in our account, right? And it also means that our account is the equivalent of owning 119 shares of the S&P 500 ETF, which is called SPY. That's all that means. So VIX is in the 12 handle, and our buying power requirement is very low. Oh, I got to do my positions tab because we don't count the bill, do we? So let's say our buying power requirement is, hold on, let's see, got to figure all these out together. So our capital requirement for holding ES is 46.7. 46.7. 46,753. So we're only using 10% of our capital to generate our lovely, how much money have we made in this account yet? $2,400, and we just made it in what, 22 days. Actually, this is when we got the money in. We didn't start trading till the 8th. So 8th to the 24th is not a lot. We made $2,400. Okay, good. All right. So nothing to do here, y'all. Everything looks really, really good. And remember, we're going to put on a trade in this account every Wednesday. So, but I like keeping up with the Netlick, just see how things are going, see if we need to make any adjustments. All right, so let's close this one down. I said let's close this one down. All right, so now let's go to the other account, which is this one. This is the $40,000 account. 40,000, 41, 360, 41, 277, 41, 277, 41, 277, going twice, 41, 277. All right, 41, 277. Oh, yeah, 41, 277. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, now Gregson Ratios here. It's the equivalent of owning 29 shares of SPY and 27 Theta. 29.27. Here we go. 29.27. Must have some things expire. This is my freehand account, so I don't really keep up with the individual trades. I don't know what's coming off and going on. So buying power usage in this one is 11,827. 11,827. You know, I just don't know if I want to put on something in such a low volatility, low. I don't know. Let's try and put one on. You know, too. Let's just try. See if we can put on a trade here. Click on that. Double click. There we go. All right. Make sure I'm in the right account. So let's try trade the mini micros. Here's my position. Positions. We got that one ES in there that we didn't mean to do, I guess, right? So let's do MES. All right, here we go. So let's trade MES. And we try to get it closest to that 120 days. So that'd be the 112 days, or this 111 days. Let's see. Let's try this weekly one right here, 112. So let's see if we got any little bit of enough volume to get us going here. Okay, here's a 5 delta. So let's see if we could go up to about, I don't know, 14 or so. Come here, little feller. Come here, little feller. Get into the mid price. Here, let's try that. Try 2 of them. And 1375. Come on, fill me, baby. And we are in. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. All right, so let's do our put debit spread. So let's see if we did this one, 4450, 4400, 835. Gotta reposition a little bit. Hold on. Working. Did it fill or not fill? Nothing's working. Huh. Well, what the crap? That filled. Did I not put on the trade? Okay. Huh. Well, let's try it again. That's strange. Y'all saw me put it on, right? 4450, 4400, 835. Let's bump this up a little bit. Make sure we get in. Review and send. And okay, now it's working. Let's see if it's working. Where is it? What the crap? What the heck? Y'all know what's going on here? You know, when in doubt, let's
Try refreshing, Bobby.
Yeah, what's the idea?
Your date filter there has 7 days. To the right there.
Yeah.
There you go.
And what I do, just refresh it.
Uh,
Oh, there it is. Yeah, let's cancel one of these. That's weird. I just had to. All right, so we'll cancel that one. Let's move this one up. Replace order. Thank you so much. Isn't that weird? It filled a mess. Come on, baby. Now we're in. There you go. Thank you so much, Michael. I appreciate that. All right, so now we got our little trade in. We're looking good. So now let's go to let's close this one. Got everything recorded there. And let's go to the Crimson account. The account that is doing better than any of our accounts because I have kept the right amount of theta in this one the entire year. So we're at 24,677. 24,677. I can't wait for y'all to see AIM. 24,677. Praise the Lord, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
All right, our little Greeks and ratios over here. Let's see. Take your groups off so we can see everything together. So over here we've got 18 and 26. 18, 26. Oh yeah, that looks good. 18, 26. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. 12. We're right where we need to be. Right where we need to be. And our buying power requirement is a measly $8,100. My turkey turned out excellent, but the problem is I bought a smoked Cajun turkey from one of my friends, and my entire family loved it better than my white wine and butter turkey. It kind of hurt my feelings a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to you. All right, so 32%. What? I said everybody liked my friend's turkey more than my turkey, and it hurt my feelings just a little bit. I didn't say nothing about my wife. Woman, you go back and listen. You have not listened to one thing that I said all day. What makes you think you're going to listen to this broadcast? Huh? Beth, get in there and heat me up some dressing. Y'all know that ain't happening. All right. So I don't know. Everything looks good here. Let's look at our trades over here. See if it's saying closed anything. Yeah. So if these get down to 21 days, that's when I normally start saying, hey, we need to close them and roll them. Now, this is a new thing, y'all. Remember, we used to close them if it was 36 days. If it was half of what we originally put it on for, we would start closing those. But I don't know, man. It says close, but I think I'm going to leave them on there because to do so would mean that I would need to close it and reestablish the position because it would make my theta too low. And I just don't think I need to do that today. I think this is good. I think I'm just going to sit back, relax, and go eat me some turkey and dressing. And if y'all have stuffing, it ain't the same as dressing, y'all. If you've ever had Beth's cornbread dressing, Beth, how much would you ship it around the country for if somebody wanted some? If you want to make, how much? $75. Just Venmo me. What, Beth? I figured you charge at least $100, Beth, if they wanted your cornbread stuff. And
We got to cook the whole chicken.
you got to cook a whole chicken. Yeah,
And biscuit.
right. She's got cornbread, homemade cornbread in it, and homemade biscuits, y'all. It's really good. Really, really good. I'm gonna go eat me some right now. All right, y'all have a good weekend. I can't wait to see y'all Monday.